Happy New Year. You don't know me, but I know you. Let's play a game. Follow me. Should I drink this whole bottle of champagne by the end of this video, you have to take advantage of my offer. Should I fail, I'll cash app you $100. Deal? Okay, let's begin. My name is Jason White, and I help people fix their credit and improve their finances. If you fail to reach your goals in 2020 because of bad credit or struggle repairing your credit, you should hire me and my team of credit experts to do it for you. We'll fight all three credit bureaus, creditors, and debt collectors on your behalf to help you remove negatives from your credit report and teach you how to build your credit score up to 200 points. If you can use games like that, you should hire us. Oh yeah. And for the first 30 days, you can start our credit repair program for just $21. Get it? 2021, $21. Ooh, I am getting plastered. Plus, we also offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So just in case we can't help you, you get your money back. I promise, you're in good hands. I only drink one day out of the year, so you have nothing to worry about. Keep my promises. So sign up for credit repair at the link associated to this video. There you have it. That's my offer. And the bottle of champagne is gone. So it's on you to take advantage of my offer. See what I just did there? 2021, the year you say hi to me and goodbye to bad credit. Sign up at the link associated to this video to get started today. Happy New Year. Hey bro, give me the top. Thank you. I'm out.